Lifespan U-bracket. The Lifespan U-bracket provides a strong, stable connection between your lifespan beam and substrate, perfect for secure, professional installations. Follow these 3 easy steps to complete the installation. Step 1. Attach U-bracket to substrate. Choose a suitable fastener for your substrate and application. Fix the U-bracket onto the substrate using your chosen screws. Step 2. Prepare and attach beam. Slide the lifespan beam into the U-bracket. Mark and pre-drill holes in the beam to align with the holes in the bracket. Step 3. Insert and secure threaded rod. Slide the threaded rod through the aligned holes in the bracket and beam. Secure both ends with the provided washers and nuts, tightening fully to ensure a stable connection. And there you have it. You've successfully installed your lifespan beam in the U-bracket. Available in the full lifespan color palette, this connector provides a strong, reliable hold with an expert finish.